Hello everyone, welcome to GIS Madras. Today I will show you how to extract the water bodies from your study area using a Landsat 8 image in ArcGIS desktop. So let's get started. Now go to that section, add data. Let me add the bands 3, 4, 5 and 6. Add. So this is a Landsat 8 image. So this is the blue color indicates my study area here. This is my study area. So now let me show you the document. So this is a Landsat 8 image. So we're gonna use the bands like green, red and near infrared and shortwave infrared, the band number 3, 4, 5 and 6. The recipe formula to identify it is we have water ratio index. So water ratio index band 3 plus band 4 divided by band 5 plus band 6 for Landsat 8 and 9. So let's get started. So now let me choose my clip the study area. Let me clip my required study area. So now let me show you that this is the existing bands. Let me turn this off. So this is my required study area. We have band 3, band 4, 5 and 6. So let me remove the other files. So let me remove this. So these are the required bands for my study area. So now let's get to work. Let's extract our water bodies from our study area. Go to the search section, enter as raster calculator. So click search. So choose the raster calculator spatial analyst. So now let us enter our recipe formula to calculate the water ratio index to extract the water bodies from our study area. So let me show you the formula for that. So we have band 3, this one, band 3 plus band 4 divided by band 5 plus band 6. So let me choose the float option, band 3 plus band 4, now divided by float band 5 plus, let me remove this, so band 5 plus band 6. So this is our formula to calculate to extract the water bodies. So now let's choose output location. Let me choose as water ratio index 2. So save this. So now click OK. So it is running. So the raster calculator has performed. So this is our water ratio index raster. So you can clearly see that our water bodies has been selected here and several smaller water bodies has also been selected. So let's go to this water ratio index raster, go to the properties, go to the symbology section, classified, yes, histogram is required. Let us make sure we have two classes. So let me classify this as this one. Let me select as 1 and click OK. So let me choose this color. Let me choose this color as this one and let me choose as blue color, because from this formula what indicates that a value greater than 1 indicates the water bodies. So value below 1 or not water bodies. So click apply and OK. So we have our required water bodies, that is the river. So let me extract the river using our using a reclassify tool. So let me go to this raster calculator, remove this, enter as reclassify. So now click search. So we have reclassify spatial analyst. Click that one. So input our water ratio index raster. So let us choose the two values, that is value lesser than 1 and values greater than 1. So choose the output locations as, so let me choose the output location as reclass water ratio index. So click save and click OK. Choose this one. So click OK. So now we have our required the water bodies. So let me go to this arc toolbox section, go to the conversion tools, and from raster to a polygon. Now input as our reclass water ratio index file. Choose the output location as WRI polygon poly. So save. So now click OK. So let me turn off other layers. So now to extract our values, all you have to do is right click the water ratio index polygon, open attribute, go to the table options and choose the select by attributes, choose a grid code and equal to our equals to 2. The 2 is reclassify, the 2 indicates our water bodies. So select 2 and apply. So all the 2 grid code is selected here except the 1. 1 is our not water body, 2 is only our water body features. So let me close this. So after water body has been selected, right click, go to the data, export data, choose the output location as water body. So let me enter as water body, save, click OK. So yes. So let me turn off this layer and clear this one. So let me turn off this. So this is our required. So go to the select option. So select this one. So this is our river course. So let me right click, data, export data. Let me choose as a river. So click save. So let me make sure no, river 1. So save, click OK. Yes. So let me clear the selected features. So let me turn off this one. So this is our required river, that is a water body. So in this way you can able to extract your water bodies without any intense digitizing work. So in this way you can able to easily extract the required water bodies ranging from rivers to lakes. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel GIS Madras for more contents.